Welcome back to the technology trends. Today we are checking out the upcoming Vivo V60 Pro, and trust me, this phone might just be the flagship killer of 2025. But does the hype match the specs? Let's break it down quick and honest. First up, design. Vivo's going full premium here, slim curved glass design, matte finish and ultra thin bezels. It features a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and brightness over 1800 nits. Expect solid durability too, likely Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Performance-wise, we are expecting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 4 paired with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage. It will fly through gaming, multitasking and even 4K editing. It will run Android 14 or 15 with Front Edge OS, lighter than previous versions. Now the camera, this is the where Vivo shines. A triple 50-megapixel setup with Zeiss optics, wide, ultra-wide and periscope telephoto. Expect killer night mode, portraits and 8K video. Front camera, a solid 32-megapixel punch-hole selfie shooter. The battery is built as 6,800 mAh cells with 100W fast charging, full charge in under 30 minutes. Extras up IP68 rating stereo speakers, in display fingerprint and maybe Wi-Fi 7. Expecting price around 50,000 to 55,000 rupees or $600 or $650. For this batch shade, that serious flagship killer territory. If Vivo nails optimization, the V60 Pro could compete the OnePlus 13 or Pixel 10 Pro easily. What do you think? Worth the hype? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Full hands on coming soon. Catch you in the next one.